do a quick video on how to take the Elvie apart, which is a pain in the butt. Anyways, you gotta push down on this button and push it up and out, or down and out, without bending the plastic. And all this plastic is so fragile. Oh boy. Struggle bus is real. There we go. Very careful. Do not break this. There is no replacements unless you buy one on eBay or wherever. You will need have Torx here. You can use Torx. What is it? Okay, so it's a Torx 6, 7, Torx 9. I believe it's Torx 9. Yeah. Unscrew that there. Unscrew that there. And out. Set that aside. This is the fun part. We gotta remove it. It's locked in place by little plastic tabs, so get a thin screwdriver here and kind of release the tabs over here. I don't want to break my damn thing again. There we go. One on the other side. And then by doing this, you will mar the living balls out of this, so it won't look pretty. There we go. Remove it. This, also, same thing. It's got little tabs on the inside. You have to stick your common screwdriver in there. We'll just go right here on the other side. See right here. But here's the battery right there. You got circuitry board here for the USB charger, and that's what we're trying to get to without destroying this. Of course, it's difficult as hell. There we go. Aha. So this is going to be like raw video. I don't know how to do the editing stuff and all that, so bear with me. I'm not a professional at making videos, but you know what? Whatever. And it comes apart right there. There we go. So here it is. You got the positive, and you've got the negative right here. With the screwdriver and pop that out. You don't need to take the battery out of the tray. Otherwise, you can if you want to, and if you got another zip tie, you can zip tie it in if you want. If thou wish it. So, there we go. Oh. Okay, there we go. Positive, positive, negative, negative. You get yourself your wire. Shove that in there. strands right here. That's too much. We just only need a few. And that's positive right there. And then here is a negative. Make sure you try not to cross anything here, especially at this part. Right there. Okay. See that? Perfect. Get your battery. So red is positive. This part of the battery is positive. So positive to positive, negative to negative. Press and hold. And press and hold for 30 seconds. And then you will have to take everything out, put that back on the circuitry, and then plug it back in the wall. Hopefully you'll get a charge, which is the green light right up here. So let's take this to my charging area right here. Here we are. There we go. Press and hold, you get a little moment of silence. Please, please, please work, please work, please work. Bam! Light. There we go. See that? Alright. It's now revitalized. So all I gotta do is leave it on the charger, charge it again, and back to normal use. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope this helps you out. Sorry about the raw video, but like I said, I'm not a professional video editor. Hopefully this was useful. Hopefully you don't have to resort to selling it, and this prevents you from selling the stuff on eBay used, and you can still keep it and or donate it to somebody who really, really needs it. Thank you again.